Ever wanted to get stronger without stepping foot in a gym? No dumbbells, no machines, just your body and some space at home. That's calisthenics. And it's the perfect way to start building strength if you're a beginner. So what exactly is calisthenics? It's training using your own body weight. Push-up, squats, planks, pull-ups. Simple moves that scale with your fitness level. The best part? It's free. You don't need a gym membership or fancy equipment, just consistency. Before jumping into the workout, here's the mindset. Focus on form over speed. Start small, progress slowly. Consistency beats intensity. Even 10 minutes a day will stack up over weeks. Here's a simple beginner-friendly routine you can do at home. Push-ups, 3 sets of 5 to 10. Work your chest and arms, drop to your knees if needed. Bodyweight squats, 3 sets of 10 to 15. Builds your legs and glutes. Keep your chest up. Plank hold, 3 rounds of 20 to 40 seconds. Strengthens your core. Focus on keeping your back straight. Glute bridges, 3 sets of 10 to 12. Great for your lower back and hamstrings. Negative pull-ups, if you have a bar, 3 to 5 reps. Jump up, lower down slow. Build strength for full pull-ups. Common mistakes to avoid: don't rush reps. Don't skip warm-ups. And don't compare yourself to people doing crazy moves on Instagram. Progress takes time, so that's your starter pack for calisthenics at home. Try this routine 3 times a week and watch your strength grow. Which exercise are you starting with today? Push-ups or squats? Drop it in the comments.